18 easy home repairs that save big money. If you like saving money, being a dryer is a good place to start. Check out those 18 home repairs that you can easily do yourself. Please water stain. Before you go through the trouble of repairing a ceiling to get rid of a water stain, try this easy home fix. Spray the spot with a bleach and water solution and wait a day or two. Uh, if it is an old stain, use a mold and mild remover from the grocery store. You don't be surprised how often the stain disappears by the next day. It works on both flat and textured ceilings. Wear safety goggles and make sure you protect the walls and floors with plastic. Use coins for toilet seams. When leaving a toilet, I often use coins or washers as toilet seams. Coins or washers provide a frame sheet and come in different thicknesses. Simply sliders as many coins as necessary under the toilet unit. It is completely level. Then calculate along the floors as you normally would to hide the coin toilet seams. A quick coat of paint. Almost nothing is quick there or refreshes a room more than a new coat of paint. Even swinging up a bright white for a totally bright glow can change your well perspective and give you a stunning point for new colors and directions. Gallons of paint range from $30 to $50 and with premier combinations. Gallons of paint you will likely only need a gallon or less to finish an average sizes room. Add another $10 and you will be set with rollers, paint brush and painter's type. This painting a room yourself could potentially save you transcended over the cost of a professional painter. Spray paint on your carpet. Don't panic. Do this. I used to think dropping a long. I used to think dropping a loaded paint brush on the carpet means replacing the carpet. Indeed, foreman or told me this little tip. Pour some detergent roll into a rag and rolls away the paint. Use a rag that is as close in color to the carpet as the aerosol can transfer some of the rag's color to the carpet. Repair any holes. So a door knob smaller thought the well after one too many times slamming the door. No need to call your handy contractor. You can easily fix a few holder in your dowel by injecting a setting compound or by cutting out the damaged sections and replacing them with a new dowel. Remove carbon marks from walls. Have your walls been decorated with some original Crayon mist brush. Don't lose your cold. Just grab a rag, dip it in some baking soda, and lightly scratch the marks. They will come off with a minimal amount of effort and give your young process and fresh new canvas. Fix a wobbly chart. This easily home fix is one you will definitely want to keep handy. Trying to keep a Rixley or chair together without going through the trouble of taking it spread and reorienting it. The simple home fix is to just rail pilot holders and drive themes head scope thought the bottom of the ranks and into the legs. Here is another way to fix wobbly chair. Silence a squeaky floor. Another easy home fix to keep in your flights. To fix squeaky floors under carpet. Located the floor joisted with a shoot fender. Then drive in a theme head score through the carpet bed and subfloor and right into the floor joints. Be sure the top inch of the scroll does not have thoughts or the subfloor or not suck down to the joist. We like themes scopes because scopes with longer heads pull down and pucker than carpet. If that happens, back out the cross and drive it back down. Keep editing course until the quaker stops. How to restore your deck? After a few years, your deck is sure to show somewhere and tear and make you feel like you have an ugly deck. Don't rush to replace both that are otherwise in good condition with a deck regenerations counting and a few days in the sunshine. Your deck will look as good as new. Get the full how to here. Feed the lounge. If your yard is mostly glass with just a few weight, forgo the expensive landscape. Use long fantasy or wood and feed yourself with one trip to your local hardware store or plant nursery. You can purchase $25 to $15 worth of supplies. Spend just a few hours on your lawn and simply wait for the grass to grow. Like it is fun. It is easy. It is cow cowling dot or mold clipping under the clear count in your tab. Cut is out and recut gaps in all the mounting got you down. Add white coat for a smooth finish. Keep and easy. There is no reasons you should not be doing this yourself. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment down.